Following its remarkable debut victory in the Africa Eco Race, Aprilia has unveiled the new Tuareg Rally at ICMA 2024. This adventure motorcycle takes the already impressive off-road capabilities of the standard Tuareg 660 to the next level, setting a new standard for twin-cylinder adventure bikes. The Tuareg Rally immediately communicates its rugged, off-road character with several key upgrades. A higher, more robust front mudguard, paired with a reinforced aluminum skid plate, ensures better protection against mechanical impacts on rough terrain. The skid plate has a thicker, more durable design, providing enhanced resistance to the rigors of off-road riding. Additional protective features include metal core handguards and a new, more resilient chain guide that improves safety in extreme conditions. Ergonomically, the Tuareg Rally is built to excel in off-road riding. The seat is raised by 20 mm, making it easier for riders to transition between sitting and standing positions, while the redesigned taller handlebars enhance control and handling in challenging environments. This attention to detail ensures riders have the best possible control and comfort when navigating tough trails. The Tuareg Rally comes equipped with heavy-duty, spoked wheels and narrow ergo rims, fitted with treaded tires and inner tubes for maximum durability and traction. The bike's suspension system, supplied by Kayaba, offers an impressive 240 mm of travel, unchanged from the standard model but now tuned with linear springs for a more responsive off-road feel. While this setup slightly reduces comfort on smoother surfaces, it provides superior control and handling on rough trails, with reduced static sag that effectively raises the bike and increases suspension travel. A new stand design, with an enlarged foot for added stability, ensures the Tuareg Rally remains upright on softer or uneven surfaces. Powering the Tuareg Rally is the same 660cc twin-cylinder engine found in the standard Tuareg, now further refined for off-road use. The updated engine features 52 mm throttle bodies, up from 48 mm, resulting in sharper throttle response and better acceleration. Additionally, the new rare earth generator reduces inertia, further enhancing the bike's overall performance. These improvements enable the Tuareg Rally to tackle obstacles more easily, offering riders an edge in demanding off-road sections. The bike also boasts a dedicated SC Project exhaust system, which includes a fully titanium silencer and a race-inspired end cap with a 60 mm outlet. This upgrade contributes to a weight reduction of 5 kilograms, bringing the overall weight of the Tuareg Rally down to 199 kilograms in running order. Visually, the Tuareg Rally stands out with its distinctive rally race replica color scheme, closely mimicking the design of the bike that triumphed at the Dakar. The bike is adorned with sporty gold anodized forks, wheel rims, and handlebars, giving it a sleek, dynamic look. In addition to the debut of the Rally version, the entire 2025 Tuareg range benefits from updated styling and new technical features that bring it in line with Euro 5+ regulations. The front design of the Tuareg has also been revised, with a more streamlined headlamp cluster that eliminates the lower lip, creating a cleaner, more modern aesthetic while maintaining the iconic triple headlamp layout. Aprilia continues to offer an extensive range of original accessories for the Tuareg, and the Tuareg Rally-specific accessories are now available for all Tuareg models. These include heavy-duty spoked wheels, a reinforced skid plate, and a new chain guide, which further enhance the bike's off-road capabilities. The accessory catalog also includes advanced features like a tire pressure monitoring system, as well as a heated comfort seat, available in 3 different heights, which can be controlled via the Aprilia MIA multimedia platform once installed. The Aprilia Tuareg Rally takes adventure riding to new heights, offering unparalleled off-road performance, enhanced ergonomics, and a distinctive design inspired by rally racing. With a focus on durability, control, and rider comfort, the Tuareg Rally is engineered to dominate the most challenging trails and set a new benchmark in the twin-cylinder adventure bike segment.